Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import LUTs into Capcut PC. So basically just download any free LUT. There's a ton on different websites. Go to adjustments and select LUT down here and select import. And you're just going to select the folder that has the LUT and select the LUT here. So they accept a few files. I'm just going to go with the Q file. And then wait, which one was the one that okay, it's this one. And you're just going to select the video that you want to add the LUT to, maybe like this one here. Actually, I'm just going to select this one. Then I'm just going to go to adjustments again. I'm going to select the LUT. I'm just going to then add it to the video. You can adjust the strength here, and you can even enable skin tone protection. That means like it won't really be applied to the skin tone. You can't really see it here because she's facing the other way. Maybe like here you can see it a little bit. Here, as you can see, it protected the skin tone from the LUT. And yeah, you can again adjust the strength, and you can even add in more to the LUT, maybe like adjust the contrast a little bit and whatnot. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!